Good morning students. Now I will teach you how to make octagon using compass method. So for this I am taking 4 centimeter as side. So you see students, for this we require a chart paper, scale, compass, scissor, cutter. So first I will draw 4 centimeter. I'll name it as A and B. Now here I'll draw a right angle triangle and I'll join this one. Let this point as O. Now taking B as center and AB as radius, I'll draw an arc. I'll bisect AB. Bisect AB. Okay. Now I'll join the intersecting points. Now mark this point as 4 and this is 6. Now I'll taking 6 as center and 6 4 as radius. I'll cut a arc here and I'll name it as 8. Now join 8A. Now center as 8. Now center as 8 and 8A as radius. Draw a circle. Draw a circle. Now taking side as AB, from point B you have to cut the circle and name it as AB over. So C, D, E, F, G, H. Now join AH, HG, GF, FE, DE, CD, BC. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, A is our regular octagon. So see, these sides are equal. So it is very much useful, and using this you can make the octagonal, pyramid, cylinder, frustum, and you can use for other purpose also. After cutting this one, I got this one. So here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So this one A and this one B. Okay, and this is 4 centimeter side. So this way you can make octagon, regular octagon, and by using this we can make octagonal pyramid, octagonal cylinder, octagonal frustum and many more shapes. Thank you.